Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a really cute and easy ladder cuff. Let's get started. First you're going to need some string, and then you're also going to need some scissors. And you're also going to need some candy beads. So for my candy beads, I'm going to be using like 3 shades of pink. And also I recently just got like this candy box. And it's like really big, and it has like all the colors that I'm probably gonna be using. But yeah, so whenever I said 3 shades of pink, I'm gonna be using this like bubblegum pink, this like flamingo pink, and then, well, this isn't really pink, this is kind of like orange, but same thing. Yeah, pink. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the box that I will be using, and then I'm gonna put the lid onto this other box of green and orange and yellow that I will not be using. Okay, so now I have my candy beads, I have my string, and I have my scissors. Okay, so first you're gonna take your string and you're gonna get a little bit of it. I'm gonna get about 2 or like 3 feet. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. First, you should have your string just laying down flat, and then take your left side and your right side and pull them straight up to the middle. So your string should kind of just look like that. And first, I'm gonna start with my like orangish pink, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. And then I'm also going to take my like flamingo pink, put that on. And then I'm gonna take my bubblegum pink and put that on. So you don't have to do the exact same colors that I'm doing. You can do like whatever colors you want. I'm just gonna be doing this pattern. Okay, so now you're gonna take your opposite side of string. So I put my 3 beads on my left side of string. Now I'm gonna take my right side of string and push it in the opposite way. Put it in through here and make it come out of there. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pull. And now you should see this little loop thing. And then yeah, you're just gonna keep pulling. Now this should be your first 3 beads. Now I'm gonna go ahead and keep repeating that step. I'm gonna put an orange pink bead on, a flamingo pink bead on, and a bubblegum pink on. And then I'm gonna take my string and I'm gonna push it in the opposite way, and I'm going to pull. Just like that. Also, your first 3 beads might look a little wonky, but then once you actually finish the bracelet, it's gonna look a lot more normal. Okay, so let's keep going, and we're gonna still be repeating the same step. Take your left side of string, put our 3 beads on, and then we are also going to take our other side of string, push it in, and then pull. So now you can kind of see like the bracelet coming together. We're just gonna go ahead and yeah, just keep doing that. Also, once it looks like it's like long enough to fit your wrist, you're gonna want to go ahead and try to like measure your size. So, this looks like it might be small for me, but we can always just like try. Okay, so, it's like gonna fit, but I have to do a couple more patterns before it can actually fit, because, as you can see, there's a little gap right there. So we're gonna do this pattern a couple more times, and then we're gonna tie it off. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and measure my size once again. Okay, it looks like this is going to fit now. But I'm just gonna do one more little pattern. I'm gonna go ahead and push that through. Okay, now to tie it off. Basically, we're just going to have these 3 beads at the end of our bracelet, and we're just going to act like these were basically just the 3 beads that we put on, and these were just like the 2 pieces of or the 2 sides of string that we have. So I'm just going to take my right side of string and push it through, coming this way, coming out this way. So I'm going to take this, put that through, take that one, put it through, take that last bead and push it through. So now we have our right side of string coming in here and coming out of there. Now we're going to do the same thing but with our left string, but on different sides. So we're going to take our string, push it in through here, make it come out of here. So I'm going to push it into this bead. Also, if you need to zoom in, you can always like zoom in to make sure that you're doing it right and you have everything like cleared up. I'm going to make it come out of that bead. Okay. Now we have it just like that. This is what your bracelet should look like. Now we are going to pull both sides of string. We're going to go ahead and pull really tight. And now what we're going to do is we need to make a knot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my string and push it into this bead right here. The pink bead below this one. Right there. Now I'm going to push into this one. And now I'm going to push it into this one. Okay, so now we have both sides of our string coming out over here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take both sides of our string and we're going to make an X with them. So I'm going to take this one and I'm going to take the right one and put it right here and just hold it with my hand. And I'm going to take my left side of string and put this on top of the right side of string, just like that. And now I have this loop. So I'm going to take my 2 fingers push it through the loop, and then I'm going to pinch my string on the right. And now I'm going to pull. And then I'm just going to go ahead and repeat that step 3 more times so that the bracelet doesn't break easily. Okay, so now we have a little knot on here. Now we're going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut off the excess string. Just be careful not to cut your little knot so that the bracelet doesn't break. And now we have a cute and easy little ladder cuff. And it fits perfectly. It's a little bit of space, but that's okay. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If this video helped you, make sure you like and subscribe. Bye, guys.